Hey, fellow wanderers. Restless Wanderer here. One of the reasons I've been absent is that I travel and move around a lot. I find myself back home in northern Minnesota now and wanted to share something really special that just happened. We caught a Canadian lynx on camera and on DASHCAM the other day, and it's very cool for a number of reasons. One, lynx are very elusive. According to Wikipedia, lynx are called the gray ghost of the north due to its solitary, nocturnal, and highly camouflaged nature in dense boreal forests. As a data point, I grew up here and spent a lot of time in the woods. This is the first time I've ever seen a lynx, or a bobcat for that matter. Number two, the lynx's territory is almost exclusively in Canada, with only a few southern regions dipping into the US. And lastly, when we passed it, I really expected it to bolt into the forest. But looking in the mirror, it didn't seem too fazed. That's why we turned around and got the footage we did. There are three sections to this video. The first is the dashcam footage. The second is the recording my wife made on her phone. And the last part is both sections put together. I'll put timestamps in the comments. Apologies for no sound on the dashcam footage. Got it?
Yeah. It does not care that we are here.
It does not care.
Oh, hi, kitty.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm out of here.
hi, kitty.
Very cool. Got it?
Yeah. It does not care that we are here.
It does not care.
Oh, hi, kitty.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm out of here.
hi, kitty.
Very cool. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a comment, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe. I also have a second channel, FlySubs89, which is more related to aviation. So if you love everything about flying, go check it out. Links are below and in the description. Thanks and have a great day.